Today's occasion is not just about a company going public. It marks the remarkable journey of a truly Singapore homegrown brand built on hard work and an unwavering passion for food. We look forward to the company continue to scale, innovate, and share its story with more customers around the world. Congratulations once again, and welcome to SGX family.
Today is a meaningful day for all of us at Leong Guan Holdings Limited. Listing on SGX is a big milestone for us. At Leong Guan, we always believe in the comfort of familiar food. At the same time, we work hard to bring modern and convenient solutions, making life easier without losing the taste of home. As we strike the gong today, we look ahead with renewed confidence, grounded humility, and clarity of purpose.
I am Sherry Kang, and we do have a ceremony actually taking place at the Singapore Exchange this morning. We're watching the catalyst ceremony for food manufacturing and distribution company Leong Guan Holdings Limited.